All right, we are here with one of the players at the football clinic here at Jackson. Why don't you just tell us your name, please?
Hi, my name is Ria Sam.
Ria?
Ria Sam.
Sam? All right, so Ria, tell us, how has it been for you?
Well, I'm new to this, and it's very about much competition, and it's very hard to play
Have you
this
ever
game.
played football?
Not recently, but lately I've been enjoying it.
So are you interested in playing the game?
Yes, I am interested.
So you're learning some things that would make you want to continue playing?
Yes, I'm learning new things like dribbling and more stuff.
Dribbling?
Yes.
All right. What is the one thing that has stood out to you from this camp so far?
Pardon?
What is the one thing that has stood out to you the most from this camp so far?
That is the most friendliest and most welcome.
Friendly. All right, wonderful. So we look forward to seeing you one day representing Jamaica.
Thank you.
All right then. Thank you so much.
Thank you.